we got the back all adjusted. You can see new adjustable lower control arms, new coilovers, trailing arms and tow arms. So all adjustable in the back. All right, so the front you can see has the new powder coated 5th drift lower control arms and these beautiful billet knuckles. This is the version 5 from Blue 808. You can see it's got the ABS sensor, which is key for electric racks. Absolutely looks beautiful. There's really no other option on the market for Camaros. I know a buddy that has a modified Wise Fab, and I can say it does not look as beautiful as this setup looks. So I'm gonna put the link in the description to my website. We're gonna be offering these kits for sale. Feel free to message me if you have any questions about it. All right, so I wanna give you a sneak peek on some of the products that we'll have on the website. We have these mirrored glasses that say Drift Daddy on the side. Try to get it to focus. We also have these mini keychains, tire pressure gauge, that have the embroidered Drift Daddy on it. It's just a simple design, black with white embroidery. But this is key if you're drag racing, drift racing, autocross. Everyone needs a tire pressure gauge. So these are in stock as well. Lastly, we have some premium Drift Daddy raised lettering license plate covers. This is also a key and improves the appearance of any car. So as you can see, it's a real nice, simple, clean look. And then obviously we have shirts that are being made, and lastly we have hats that I'll show you. And you happen to be wearing it, so.
Should I just take it off?
No, you're good. And then here we can see Nicole with the Drift Daddy hat on. Again, it's a super simple design. See if I can get it to focus, there we go. These are available on the website now, so please check it out. Now we're gonna go rip this thing. All right, we're about to head out. This is the first ever try with the new angle kit. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go. We'll see. I mean, I kind of just want to go for it, to be honest. So we're supposed to wait for Nicole to call us and tell us it's good, but I kind of just want to freaking go. Let's call her real quick. Hey. Is it good? Okay.
And then there's another car, and I just don't know if he's going to be turning towards you or away.
Okay.
I'm just going to wait.
All right.
By the way,
Yeah.
still keep a lookout just because I can't see all the way around the corner. But
Yeah.
to an extent, I can see. So
Okay.
just keep being mindful. I'll try and kind of be out in the road a little bit if you're coming towards them. How's it looking over there for you?
Good.
All right, I would say you're good.
All right. Start recording. Bye. There we go. Time to send her, boys. Oh, that feels wild. That feels wild. say we had to leave that spot pretty quickly because of the BMW. So we're at a new spot that we actually have permission to be here. Primarily the bike guys will come here and stunt, but there's no bikes here today, so I'll go ahead and do it. I'm gonna flick it in from the road though, just because you guys know me. I like to keep it street. Poor car is scared to death. Yeah. Oh, baby. Boys and girls, hell yeah. All right, hope you guys like that video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on this. A lot more to come. The angle kit is definitely snappier than my last setup, but that's to be expected because I was probably running like +8 positive Ackerman on the last setup, and this one is much less. I don't want to say exactly what it is because it's a custom setup that Luke made me, but it's much less positive Ackerman, and because of that it's way snappier. So it's going to take a little bit of me getting used to, but overall I'm in love with the kit, super happy with how it drives. Right now I'm driving back home and it literally drives like a factory car. So if you all want to get your hands on this kit, make sure you click the link in the description or go to www.driftdaddy.net. Again, make sure you share this video with one of your friends, leave a like and subscribe, and comment what you think.